Relief, America's most trusted tax resolution company. They've resolved over $1 billion in tax debt for their clients and have the expertise and experience to help you. One easy call to Optima can start the process, helping to put an end to your worries of wage garnishment, asset seizure, and other aggressive IRS actions. Make today the beginning of your fresh start with the IRS. Call the experts at Optima Tax Relief now for your free confidential consultation.
Call 800-682-9928. 800-682-9928. 800-682-9928.
Optima Tax Relief.
Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Eric Thomas with a look at the numbers from Black Friday and Cyber Monday.
I feel like we're off to a slow start.
Let's move over to the KCBS Sports Desk to see what's up with the Warriors. Matt Pittman is here. What is up with the Warriors?
Well, they're 8-10 on the season. Okay. 10th place in the West. They've lost 8 of their last 10 games. 8 of their last 10 games. And that includes last night's just gut punch. 124-123 loss in Sacramento. Malik Monk with 7 seconds hit the game-winning shot. That eliminated the Warriors from the in-season tournament. And it also has started to raise the question with these younger players, guys who were in literally, Patty, middle school when it was the Andre Iguodala's, Steph Curry, that core leading the Warriors to championships. You got a whole new round of guys in this league. They weren't around when the Warriors were the Warriors. So are we seeing the end of an era?
That was a great game they played last night, by the way, too, Tony. They got a good game out of Klay Thompson. They got a good game out of Wiggins. But then Malik Monk and De'Aaron Fox was fabulous. Again, these young players are coming for them.
That's Michael Wilbon from ESPN's PTI. Dubs have a couple days off, and then they will take on the Clippers. Well, I say a couple days off. They got today off, the Clippers tomorrow at Chase Center. At the Sports Desk, Matt Pittman, KCBS.
Wesley Financial Group is not a law firm.
This story is called The Ugly Truth About Timeshare. If you think you've done your family a favor by buying a timeshare, you need my help. Hello, I'm Chuck McDowell, CEO and founder of Wesley Financial Group. 10 years ago, I started helping folks cancel their timeshare. In the process, started what's now called the timeshare cancellation industry. Timeshare is the only thing that you can buy that you can't tell me how much it's going to cost or when it's going to end. When you buy a timeshare, you give them a blank check to fill out any amount they want for annual maintenance and assessment fees. The crazy thing is, this never ends. Even when you die, your family's now going to be stuck with this burden. Stop the insanity today. Call my office now. If we take you as a client, I guarantee we'll cancel your timeshare or you'll pay nothing.
Call for your free information kit. 800-885-3333. That's 800-885-3333. 800-885-3333.
LifeSource is the best whole home water system. And now is your best time to buy with the LifeSource Black Friday sale. Save up to $1,000. Act now to take advantage of the lowest prices this year. Call 1-800-WATER-99, 1-800-WATER-99, or LifeSourceWater.com.
Warranty limitations apply.
Come see the trees dancing with light, a musical show that's sure to delight. Pick up gifts, have dinner and wine. The holidays are happening at Pier 39. Tree lighting show every half hour from 5 to 10 p.m. Visit pier39.com.
We have a backup in Vacaville. We're going to check it out now with Kim in your local Honda Dealers Traffic Center.
It's not huge, but if you're sailing through Fairfield on the eastbound Interstate 80, you will see some brake lights. It's not stopped, but there is a stalled vehicle right at Nuttry Parkway, and it's stuck in the right lane. It's a busy area, especially this time of year. So if you're headed eastbound, coming up from Fairfield, watch out for that situation there. Our biggest traffic problem right now is in Contra Costa County, but I do have better news. We had 3 lanes blocked by this crash earlier this hour in Pleasant Hill. Northbound 680 before Monument Boulevard, and debris scattered across the lanes. Emergency crews HP there, and they've moved everybody out of the way. So the lanes have just been reopened as of 60 seconds ago or so. So it's still backed up on northbound 680 as you come up through Alamo and Walnut Creek, and the eastbound 24 through Lafayette as well. Do you have the Odyssey app? Before you hit the road, you can listen to KCBS Live with the app, follow us, and that's all there is to it. Next update at 2:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Well, the clouds sure cleared up very quickly in the afternoon after those morning showers. We're seeing plenty of sunshine this afternoon and highs mostly in the low 60s. However, we may not be done with the rain just yet. We're going to keep it up.
Okay.